One morning, the world wakes up to a different sky. The blue has vanished, replaced by a deep, burning red. At first, people think it's a strange sunrise, but the color never fades.
Within hours, every screen on Earth flashes the same headline.
Global atmospheric shift. The sky permanently red.
Scientists tonight are stunned, some calling it the birth of a new climate epoch.
This is stable. It's a steady state change. Catastrophic.
That spectrograph is screaming.
Theories spread fast. Maybe volcanic aerosols filled the skies, or microscopic dust from a massive meteor stream. Some claim the sun itself has changed, but no one knows for sure.
A red sky means more heat trapped on Earth. Temperatures rise. Glaciers melt faster. Heat waves hit cities that were once freezing.
Night falls, but darkness never truly returns. The sky glows like burning coal. Midnight looks like an endless sunset. Animals begin to lose their sense of time. Birds migrate the wrong way. Nocturnal creatures wander in confusion. Nature's clock is broken.
Psychologists observe something alarming. A red world is changing how people think. Stress climbs. Dreams grow vivid and violent. And on the streets, crime begins to rise.
Some say it's a cosmic warning. Others see it as rebirth. New symbols, new myths, new gods emerge. Humanity rewrites the sky into its stories.
Engineers struggle to shield crops and keep the grid alive. Under scarlet skies, LEDs bathe entire farms in a reluctant glow, but red light slows the growth they fight to protect. So a new race begins, one to build a sun of our own, to bring back the colors that feed the world.
Even the oceans change color, turning darker, thicker, stranger. Marine life sinks into deeper waters, fleeing the light.
After years, no one alive remembers blue skies. Art, music, architecture, all shaped by red light. A new culture is born under a crimson sky.
And you. If you had only one chance to see the blue sky again,